Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is exponents. To understand what are exponents, let us take few examples. So if I see this number 64, I can write it as 8 multiplied by 8. I can write it as 64 equal to, I can write as 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are again 64, and I can write 64 as, if I write in as a 2 multiples, so it will be 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16 2s are 32 and 32s are 64. So you can see here that we wrote 64 in 3 ways, right? So if I see this first example, I wrote 64 as 8 cross 8. So I can write it 8 square because I multiplied 8 2 times. Now here I can write it as 4 raised to power 3, means 4 cube, because I have multiplied 4 3 times. And if I see in 2 terms to as a 2 multiple, so I have multiplied 2 how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 raised to power 6 is also 64. So 64 can be written in these 3 ways. So any number, when it can be written in a raised to power n form, where a is the base of the number, where a is called the base of the number, right? A is called the base of the number and n is called the power. N is called the power of the number, or we call it exponent also. So any number which can be written is a raised to power n form is where a is the base and n is called the power or exponent of that number. So this is the way we write numbers in exponent form. Exponent is nothing but just the power of a number. So if I see 100, number 100, so 100 can be written as 10 square. So here what is the base? Base is 10 here. And what is the power? Power is 2 here, or exponent is 2 here. So I will explain it with few more examples. So if I take 1 divided by 10, right? So 1 divided by 10 is equal to, you can write it as 10 raised to power minus 1. So number which was in denominator, when it comes up, the power changes. The denominator power was positive, but when it comes in numerator, the power becomes negative. It will be 10 raised to power minus 1. In the same way, if it is 1 upon 100, so you can write it as 10 raised to power minus 2, because 10 raised to power minus 2 will be again 1 upon 100. So this the number we can represent in exponential form. Now, so if we see a number which we write in exponential form, which we are saying a raised to power m, and we can write it as a raised to power minus m, as we have seen in this example. So if I see, I will tell you one more example for this. So a raised to power minus m can be written as 1 upon a raised to power m, right? As we have done here, a raised to power minus m, when the power will go in the denominator, it will be positive. It will be a raised to power m. So a raised to power minus m is nothing but the multiplicative inverse of a raised to power m. So as we have done in this rational numbers also, ki any number, if we take a raised to power m, what is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to power m? That is a raised to power minus m. So a raised to power is multiplicative inverse of a raised to power m. So we see a few example here, how to write the numbers in exponential form. I have taken here two examples. So if we see, how to write 81 in exponential form. So 81 is a multiple of 9, 9 nines are 81. So you can write it as 9 square, or you can choose another multiple of 81. So you can do 3 cross 3, 3 threes are 9, and again multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3, right? So we can write it as 3 raised to power 4. So here we have written 81 in the exponential form, which is 3 raised to power 4. Now let's see how to write 64 upon 25 in exponential form. Now our number is 64 divided by 25. So here again you see the factors of 64, which is, we can take 4 multiplied by 4, 4 fours are 16, and 16 fours are 64, divided by 5 cross 5, which is 25. So what will be the answer? Here answer will be 4 cube 4 raised to power 3 divided by 5 square. 5 we multiply 2 times and we got 25. So this will be our answer, right? So here we have learned how to write the numbers in exponential form and what is our exponential form. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share it as much as you can. Thank you.